So yeah, welcome to this particular video. I want to believe that when you're done watching this video, you will stop paying for email marketing platforms, right? You will stop paying to get your emails sent. I mean, you will stop paying some third-party platforms, right? By which you have been sending out your emails before now. So yeah, let's set up our emails on the free software and get all our emails sent out without glitch, and of course without having to pay a dime for it, right? So yeah, the email software that I want us to use is called Thunderbird. Thunderbird. So Thunderbird is a free email platform that we will use. So yeah, let's download Thunderbird on our device. Yeah, so there's a version for Mac, there's a version for Windows, there's a version for iOS also, right? So yeah, we can download Thunderbird right here. Yeah. So Thunderbird is downloading. So while this is ongoing, right, as you can see here, while this is ongoing, we can actually come back to cPanel and simply make a search for mail, email account. Right? So yeah, email account currently opening. So here we have all of the emails. These are all the emails we currently have right here. So you can go ahead and create new emails, right? You can create new emails and put up the password, obviously, right? Yeah, so but we'll not be doing that at the moment because we have plenty emails already. So yeah, let's go ahead and connect one of our accounts. So I want to connect this particular account here. This is SLG right here. So SLG at smileslogistics.com right here. So I will simply connect devices. So let me open this quickly. Connect devices. So it will show me the email tools, email platforms, and their sources, the SLTs by which I can connect my email. So yeah, this is downloading. Thunderbird is downloading. I do hope it downloads quickly so that I am able to do the needful. So now that we have Thunderbird installed, let's get to check where it is on our PC. Yeah, so this here, this is Thunderbird here. I will simply double tap on it to install on my laptop. And then, yeah, Thunderbird is extracting. So it says extracting 48, 58, 67, 78, 90, 100. Yeah, so this is done right here. So I will simply tap on yes right here. So yeah, Thunderbird is going to install right now. So yeah, next, standard, next, install, yes. All right, so Thunderbird is installing on my PC right now. Yeah, so it says launch, finish. So tap on finish and then Thunderbird opens up right here. So yeah, this is how to install Thunderbird. Now let's connect Thunderbird and then our email account. So Thunderbird is opening up. Yeah, it says I should sign in with my email and the password, right? So full name is this Marvelous Jude right here. So email is slg at smileslogistics.com, and then the password. Yeah, let me look for the password immediately. So the password is here. I will simply tap on continue. Let's see if this finds it automatically. Right, it says configuration found at email provider. I will simply tap on done right here. So yeah, it says account successfully created right here. Yeah, so one email already received. As you can see, a notification is already dropping on my laptop. saying that one of my emails just dropped, right? Yeah. So I will simply tap on connect this. Let me try connecting this to see if it works. Yeah, so this is connected right here. So this is the email, IMAP, everything checks out fine. So email successfully created. I will simply tap here to finish. Yeah, so news group, yeah, calendar, right? So set as default right here. So yeah, this is my screen. This is Thunderbird, everything you need to know. So yeah, this is my inbox right here. And then we've got sent items, nothing. So to create a new message, simply tap on new message right here. So you have your email address and then the subject, and then you can do CC and BCC. Tap on the message right here, and then when you're done with this, you simply hit on send at the top here, right? All right. So yeah, we want to set up a footer section on Thunderbird. So simply come to settings right here, and then we'll come to account settings. Just a minute, let me find this. So yeah, this is found under charts. No, composition. Okay, account settings. Yeah, so this is signature right here. So you can use the bold. Um, you can use the HTML signature, but in my own case, I like to use my name and several other things. So yeah, I will do something very quickly, right? I'll do something very quickly, and then I will be right back. So let me use ChatGPT for this, right? So yeah, I will go back to ChatGPT and put up some prompts. So ChatGPT right here. So in ChatGPT, uh, I'm trying to set up my email folder, my email folder section in HTML format. Could you help out with this? Here are a few info you need to know. Email owner, Marvelous Jude, right? Email slg at smiles logistics.com. Phone number +1. This. I'll get back to this shortly, right? So develop a demo disclaimer section with links to terms, conditions. I will attach the company logo as well. Ensure you add that too, right? Yeah. So let me attach the company logo right here. So first of all, I will highlight all of this and copy. I wouldn't want to lose this. So yeah, I'll upload from my computer. Then to the desktop, let me find the company logo right here. This is a logo right here. So I'll simply upload this, right? Yeah. So let's get this guy to do something for us right here. Right. So it says here is the HTML code snippet for your email folders section, integrating your provided details and the company logo, right? Yeah. So this guy has given us this, right? So this is coming up quickly. All right. Yeah. I will simply tap on this to copy and then head over to this section right here. So Thunderbird, yeah, I'll simply paste this here and then I will scroll down and I should find save. Okay, yeah, so this is done, really. So organization is Smiles Logistics, right? So who are these guys replying to? They will simply reply to the same email, this here. Yeah, so this is done. So I think this saves automatically. So brand color is deep blue right here, deep blue, right? So deep blue here, right? So yeah, this checks out fine. So let's get back to the this section. So I'll simply tap on new message, and then as you can see here, guys, this is already showing up at the footer. So we've got Marvelous Jude, we've got the terms and condition, and then we've got the image right here. So yeah, I think there's a mistake. The image I'm using, I'm supposed to use a favicon, right? Not the long banner, not the long logo, right? Yeah. So next time I'll just use a favicon of 500 by 500 so that it sits well inside of this, right? Yeah, so this is what we have right here. We have Marvelous Jew. This email and its attachment may contain blah, 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 blah. And this is a disclaimer right here. So yeah, we can make some adjustments to this, right? Yeah, so let's see. Agency, we can adjust this really, right? Yeah, so we can adjust this to Korea, right? Yeah, so size, what about the size? Yeah, so this size, okay, really? So this is what we've got here, right? Yeah, this is the terms and condition. And then your email messages can begin from here, right? You can start typing your email messages right here. So when you're done with this, you can put up the tool, the subject, the CC or the BCC, and hit on send, and it delivers alongside this information right here, right? So the favicon, the name of the account owner, the email address, and of course also the phone number. So yeah, thank you so much. I hope this makes sense to you. So you can also attach documents right here, right? You can select documents to be attached, and this works perfectly. So when next you want to open Thunderbird, I simply advise that you simply pin this to taskbar, right? So you don't bother to look for it next time, right? Yeah, so thank you so much and have a good day. Bye for now.